How to troubleshoot your camera. The most common problems revolve around battery or SD card errors. Let's start with batteries. Here's what a battery error could look like: the right LED flashing, an error noise, or your camera taking continuous photos. Let's fix that. First, make sure you're using AAA rechargeable batteries, and make sure they are charged. You can do this by plugging your camera into a power source with the cord it comes with. Plug it into a wall outlet, a power bank. After you've let it charge, if it still doesn't work, remove the batteries and plug your camera into the external power source again. Go to the first filter setting and click the shutter button. If the camera takes a photo and it shows up on your SD card, then the problem is your batteries and you will need to buy new ones. Even if they are brand new batteries, they may have come with no or little charge on them, so leave them charging overnight and it should fix this issue. Now let's talk about SD card issues. The indicators could look like this: the left LED flashing, error noise. This could mean that it's not in the right way, it's in the wrong slot, or that your card is full. If your SD card comes like this in two parts with a micro SD and adapter, make sure you put the microchip into the little slot on the adapter piece. The SD card then goes into the big silver slot on the front of the camera. Press it in until it clicks. No parts of your SD card should be going into the slot on the back. This is for function cards. If your SD card is full, empty it onto another device and delete the photos from the card to make room for new ones. If you can't see your photos at all on your SD card, reformat it. Here are the instructions to do that. And if your computer doesn't recognize your SD card, try following these steps. Hopefully after following all of this, your camera issues have been fixed. If not, reach out to service@papershoot.com with your inquiry.